How to file a K-1 in TurboTax. So first you want to sign into the TurboTax website, and then you'll need to open or continue your return from the Files section right here. Now once this is completed, you want to expand the federal category, and then under the income category you would need to select wages and salaries, and a page like this should appear. Now from this page you want to look for schedule K-1, which is this option right here. Sometimes it's under S-corp, partnerships, and trusts. And once you find it, you can click on start or revisit. And then you would follow the prompts here to continue. You can choose the type of K-1 you received. Usually it can come from these options specified here. And then you can choose which option applies to you, or which one you received from these available options here, and then click on continue or start next to the option to basically start entering the information exactly as shown on your K-1. And once you're done, you can basically continue and review your return for errors. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.